Discover the secret to perfectly styled homes with our personalized interior design types. Make every space shine. So hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video I will show you guys step by step how you can get started from scratch on Wix and build your own professional website. Let's get into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open your browser and dive into wix.com. So this is the home page. As you can see, we have here various information of your create a website without limits, have your products, solutions, resources, pricing also, Wix Studio, and you have Enterprise. But before, what is Wix? Wix is a cloud-based website development platform that allows users to create and design websites using a drag and drop interface. It offers a range of customizable templates, design tools, and features to help individuals and businesses build professional looking websites without needing advanced coding skills. So let's scroll down and know how it works with this Wix. So here we have how to create a website for free. So follow the 6 simple steps to create a website today. So the first one we have choose a platform, sign up for a secure, reliable and powerful website builder. Then we have the second one, it's start creation. Choose from over the 900 fully functional templates or use the EA website builder. The third step is customize your website. Use the drag and drop editor and tailor your site to fit your brand. Then we have the third step, it's optimize for search engines. Increase your site's visibility with a suite of built and SEO tools. Then we have the fifth one, it's publish your website, register and connect a custom domain name and call live. Then we have the sixth step and it's the last, promote and drive traffic. Use build and marketing tools to grow and expand your reach. So I will show you how you can get started with it. So you click over get started here. Once you do that, you will find other page which is, so you write your email here, then you confirm your email again. As you can see, and then you write your code, and for example, and you confirm your password again. Then you click over sign up. Once you do that, you will find other page which is, let's get started. Who are you creating a website for? So we have here for myself, my business, or a friend. We have here for a client as a freelancer or an emergency. So let's click for the first one and we click over continue. Once you do that, you will find other page which is here, bring your ideas to life with EA. Tell us about the site you are creating and get a personalized dashboard with everything you need to manage it. So let's click over here, start chat, and you click here in chat and continue. Then we have here what type of website you want to create. We have here search for your business or site type. We have the first one, online store, portfolio, blog, consultant, technology company, restaurant, and event. So let's choose the first one and we click over continue again. And we have the second page, it tells us about your online store. We'll use EA to tailor your setup, journey, recommend tools, and personalize content for your site. What is it called? So for example, let's choose, and then you click over next continue, and we have here the third one, the third step. What are your goals for this site? We selected this based on your answers. Add any others you'd like. So we have your sell product, so it's enough. And then you click over next. We have here how can we help you sell. Choose below and we will make sure you have the right tools. So important and existing store. We have your find drop shipping, and we have your design and sell brand on demand products on sales channel like eBay and Amazon. Run your site on mobile, and we have advertise on Google. Then you click over finish. Once you do that, you will find here other page. We have here prepare dashboard for Zia Shop, install apps, and we have create here. So we have here lighting your dashboard, and we will wait. Then you'll find the home page. So this is the home page. As you can see, we have here various information. We have here how you can set up. Let's set up your store. Go to setup. Here we have 108 completed. We have your setup, home, create page, and you have here other things. So you click over design site, and then here we have how would you like to design your website. Then you click over here, we have generate a design with EA, get a personalized site design in seconds. And you have the second one is customers template, browse thousands of designs, then pick one to customers, pick a template. So I will click over the first one. Then you have found this page, and you click over continue with this design. Once you do that, you will here complete the site with your own domain. Give your site a more professional look with a branded domain name, and we have to write this here. For example, we have shop.com, and then you click off of let's go. Once you do that, you will find other page. So in this page we have here add elements, add section, pages, and menu. You have site design, add apps, my business, media, and CMS. And you have just to click over add elements or add section. Then we have to do is select and modify your photo, and also you can use your own photo. For example, here we have discover unique here. So Wix offers several benefits for website creation, including its intuitive drag and drop interface that allows users to design and customize websites easily without coding knowledge. It provides a wide range of templates and design tools, enabling users to create professional-looking sites tailored to their needs. Additionally, Wix includes built-in features such as SEO tools, e-commerce capabilities, and mobile optimization, making it a comprehensive solution for both personal and business websites. Its flexibility and ease of use make it an appealing choice for those looking to establish a strong online presence quickly. So this is how it works with Wix, and you have just done all this things, and then be done with it. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.